Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'll be showing you how to use a demo account on Pocket Option. So let's dive in. First off, you must have a Pocket Option account. Once you do, all you have to do is log in. Then on your dashboard, you want to choose trading right over here at the left side panel of the screen. Choose trading, and from here, you'll see the options you have for a demo account. As you can see right now, I'm accessing or using the quick trading demo account, but you can switch to a different demo account. We have here shares trading demo account, Forex MT4 demo account, and also MT5 demo account. So all I have to do to make that active is just simply click on it. And then let's say, for example, under this one, I'm using quick trading demo account. For you to be able to trade on this account, all you have to do is just click on the name of either the currency or cryptocurrency. Choose whatever you want. And then on this part on the right side, you'll see the option to either buy or sell. And that's it. Now you know how to use demo account on Pocket Option in just a few simple steps. So if you found this helpful, don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe for more quick guides, and I'll see you in the next one. Thanks.